Have you ever tried to import a Jupyter Notebook and faced an unexpected error? It can be really frustrating, especially when you're just getting started. If that's you, stick around because today we're going to solve a common issue with importing .ipynb files. I totally understand how challenging it can be to navigate Jupyter Notebooks, especially if you're new to it. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users have faced similar issues when trying to import methods from one notebook to another. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user mentioned that they are trying to import a notebook into their main class, but are running into an error. They created a small notebook and followed some online guides, but they still encountered issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? The issue often arises from how Python handles imports, especially with Jupyter Notebooks. We'll break down the steps to ensure you're importing correctly and accessing the methods you need. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a bonus tip that can help you streamline your Jupyter Notebook workflow. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the user is importing the notebook correctly. The user should use the NB importer package, which allows importing Jupyter Notebooks as if they were regular Python modules. Next, the user should import the nbimporter package in their importer.ipynb file. This will enable the user to import functions from other notebooks seamlessly. Now the user can call the function from the abc.ipynb file. The user should ensure that the function is defined correctly and is accessible. If the user still encounters an error, they should check the function definition in abc.ipynb. The function must be defined at the top level, not inside any class or conditional statements. Finally, if the user wants to include multiple notebooks, they can repeat the import process for each notebook. This way, they can access methods from all the notebooks they need. Fun fact: did you know that Jupyter Notebooks were originally developed as part of the IPython project? They have come a long way and are now a staple for data science and education. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution was shared by another user who faced a similar issue. They created a folder named Module and placed all their .ipynb files inside it. Additionally, they added an init.py file to register the folder as a valid module. From their working directory, they ran the command to import the notebook. For example, they used import test.abc as tab-c and successfully called the method tabc.barn to get the output hello me. They also demonstrated importing another notebook, efg.epnb, and received the output hello note. This method proved effective for their needs. The user hopes this solution helps others facing similar challenges and welcomes any better approaches. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using the nbimporter package. It allows for easier importing of Jupyter Notebooks and can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to import your Jupyter Notebooks without any issues. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.